Today we're making spaghetti squash stuffed with chicken Parmesan. It's a well-balanced meal, gluten-free, and a healthy dinner choice. Okay, you're going to need a spaghetti squash. You're going to take the spaghetti squash, cut it in half, lightly oil it, and salt and pepper. Turn it upside down and bake it in the oven at 400 for 45 minutes to an hour. You're going to need a pound of ground chicken, small onion diced, 3 cloves of garlic diced, 2 cups of marinara sauce, 3 basil leaves chopped, 10 cherry tomatoes sliced in half, a cup of spinach, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a cup and a half of shredded mozzarella cheese, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. Heat a saute pan with some olive oil. When it's hot, put your onions in. Put the garlic and saute. Okay, I'm going to put the chicken in, and it's on high right now, and then I'm going to turn it down to medium. And I'm going to put the salt and pepper and the basil. When the chicken's cooked, I'm going to add some tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to add the marinara. After I add the marinara, I'm going to cook it for 5 more minutes. Okay, we're going to add our shredded Parmesan cheese. Okay, and then I'm going to add a half a cup of the Parmesan cheese and then the spinach. And I'm going to simmer it for 5 minutes. So while it's simmering, I'm going to continuously stir it so that it doesn't stick. Okay, the chicken Parmesan sauce is ready. Okay, I've taken the spaghetti squash out of the oven and I've fluffed it with a fork a little bit. I'm going to add some salt, a little more salt to it, and a little bit more Parmesan cheese. Okay, then you're going to top the spaghetti squash with your chicken Parmesan and its sauce. Okay. Spaghetti squash is out of the oven. I topped it with some melted mozzarella cheese and basil.